Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing product empties. And if you'd like to know more about it, stay tuned. So for this month I have a few products that I have used up, and I wanted to let you guys know what I had. So the first thing we got this in alert box. I think this was in the November's alert box. This is the Starskin Magic Hour Exfoliating Foot Mask Socks. It does not work at all. It didn't, it's supposed to like peel your skin and make your feet feel better. No, it didn't work. Don't buy this one. It sucks. And next I have a Pearl Brightening Face Mask. This also came in that box, and I enjoyed this one very much. And next I have a couple hair masks that I've loved so much. So first I have the Hair Gert Strawberry Banana Hair Mask, and this thing smells so good, like amazingly good. I wonder if it still smells. Oh yeah, it does. So I will definitely buy another one of this. The next I have a less expensive brand. It's the Elevive Color Vibrance Repair and Protect Balm. And these work. They're a little bit, more conditioning than regular conditioner. And the next I have this Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. And I absolutely love this one too. It was really good. So, and for hair, I have one more thing. This is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. If you guys can see it. And this is a hair treatment you do at home. You know how they do them in the salon, and then you go home, and this is one of them. This retails for $70 for this little bottle, so it's very, very pricey. Now for face mask, I have this Glam Glow. It was a trial that I got. Let me warn you guys about this. If you have sensitive skin, do not put this on your skin. Literally, it feels like your face is on fire. So, for me, it was fine. It didn't burn me. It stung. I mean, it stung so bad, but it didn't cause any redness. But as I was putting this up, I was looking over some YouTube videos on this product, and everybody was complaining, how bad it hurt. And then when they took it off, their face was red. So, just a heads up on this. If you have sensitive skin, don't buy this. So, and then next, I went out of this Clarins Paris Double Serum. It's Hydraulic and Liptic System. It's just for aging. And it looks like this. It's got one serum on one side and one serum on the other. This retails for $70. It's amazing. Would I get another one? Yes, but I have so many serums and things that I need to go through, so no, I won't get that one. And the next one is this Baybor HSR cream. I love this. I was so sad to finally see it go. Ugh. I went to Maine on vacation. I went to a spa and I bought like a whole bunch of their products. This little ball right here of just this serum is $140. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. I absolutely love this. Like I said, I am so sad that it's gone. Bye, my love. I'll see you later. And for makeup, I don't have anything other than my Cushion foundation from Wet n Wild. Like you guys know, I love this. This is the one I use the most. And it is nasty, but it is all gone. Because with these, you can take the sponge out to get the last little bit out. So, and you can tell on the back, I have used it all. So out of this whole thing, what would I buy again? This. Love it. I also have the body cream of this, and I'm petrified that I'm going to use all that. So I use these sparingly. So. But that is all for these products and these empties. And as soon as I get another, small collection of some empties, I will post another video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.